Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County in southeastern Ohio, southeastern Morgan County in southeastern Ohio, north central Wood County in northwestern West Virginia until 4:45 a.m. At 4:14 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beverly, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Marietta, Beverly, Chester Hill, Vienna, Williamstown, Boaz, Newport, Matamoros, Lowell, Stockport, Maxburg, Lower Salem, Fleming, Bartlett, and Devola. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 183 and 186. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 1 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. Nearshore forecast.